Here in a first on CNBC interview is John Ketchum, Chairman, President, and CEO of NextEra Energy. John, I don't know if that was your PR people calling. Anyway, I appreciate you coming on the program. You reminded Wall Street and investors today in your conference call, and I thought this was fascinating, that you and Florida Power and Light, sort of the current company with the former name that you guys have, is not just the biggest renewables generator in America, you also have the largest natural gas fleet in America, and you may restart a nuclear plant in Iowa. Talk to us about that and also why you and your team felt it was important to reiterate to investors, listen, we're huge renewable generators, but we also are huge energy generators generally.
Well, you know, we are a really unique company. Yeah, we are an all-of-the-above company. We own a rate-regulated utility in Florida Power and Light, as you mentioned, the largest rate-regulated utility in the United States. We're the largest generator and operator of natural gas-fired generation in the country. We're one of the largest nuclear operators as well. And we're the largest renewables company building battery storage facilities as well. So we do it all. And today, we announced our entree back into gas, which is something that we have a long, long history in. Again, nobody has built more gas-fired generation in this country over the last 20 years than NextEra Energy. So this is a natural foray for us. And we've entered into a framework agreement with GE Vernova. So it combines not only the nation's largest builder of natural gas-fired generation together with the company that's sells more gas turbines than anybody else in the United States and has some of the best technology and best solutions. And so we think that is a great fit when you mix those two together. And coming on the heels of the new administration's energy dominance agenda, you know, we are going to play a huge part in that. And you think about our ability to combine all types of generation. I talked about gas-fired generation, but nuclear as well, which you just mentioned. We have recently filed with the NRC an application to restart that facility and to get the operating license moving forward. We still have a little bit more work to do in terms of finding the customer to make that project come to fruition.
John, I want to jump in here, and I appreciate it. It's like CERA Week where we have a little more time, but I wonder if this is a pivot a little bit by NextEra, and if it is or isn't, go into that. But also, here's the reality. Okay, I think America is waking up to something that we've been talking about for years on this network, which is the demand side of energy is only growing. And we have 10 inches of snow on the ground in Milton, Florida. As of yesterday, demand for power and heat spiking. People, ultimately, they're going to care how they get it, but they want to make sure first that they do get it. Is this a pivot by NextEra? And do you feel like there is a reawakening in America with this country saying, my gosh, we want to be climate and carbon smart, but at the core of it, we also need to make sure the lights and the heat work?
The key is that we're going to need it all. We're going to need renewables. We're going to need battery storage. We're going to need gas-fired generation. We're going to need nuclear. And why are we going to need it all? Because power demand is higher than it's ever been. We are anticipating the demand for power to increase sixfold over the next 20 years compared to the prior 20. We haven't seen this kind of demand for power since the Industrial Revolution. That's why NextEra plans to invest $120 billion of capital over the next 4 years, and it's going to come from all generation resources. But one of the points I want to make is that not all generation is created equally in terms of the ability to deliver it to market on a linear timeline. So, for example, renewables can be delivered right now. They're ready right now. They can accommodate that demand today. Gas-fired generation, for example, under the framework agreement we announced today, won't be ready until 2030 or beyond at scale, and then nuclear, beyond that, because a lot of it's first of a kind technology, other than the restarts that we're announcing with Dwayne Arnold. So it's going to be really, really important for this country to mix those technologies together.